Hey there, Mr. Armadillo. How are you doing today? I don't think I've ever seen you out during the daytime. You look a lot more colorful during the day, because at night you just look gray. Let's see, get a little closer. It's 20x. Well, I wonder. Let's see if we can get a little closer to you. I think that's as close as I want to get. You are kind of an interesting looking little critter. I never noticed your nails like that. What are you eating anyway? Let's see if we can see. Not quite sure what you're doing. You are a pretty little critter. You sure don't seem to mind me being here. Well, I'll leave you alone. Hope you all enjoyed the video, and may you have an awesome day.